Today we're going to be covering exercise 8, which is robotics usage in France. What is robotics? It really generally is just the creation of robots of any kind. Technology works by bringing together multiple advanced technological strategies to create a self sufficient machine. The technology creates a programmable machine that can perform certain functions that you input it to be able to perform. Uh, its greatest opportunity is in the manufacturing sector. It can be used to make work significantly more efficient. France is in the top 20 of robotics development, but the US is the top country in the world for this field. Who uses it? Manufacturing has the greatest current use. Healthcare also has a big usage in robotics. Um, Manufacturing has the most positives in terms of their business, and people and jobs can be considered a negative because robotics can be used to fill the job voids. Um, it creates many jobs in development, maintenance, and monitoring of robots. And my personal favorite is the robotics technician. You basically configure, maintain, operate, and troubleshoot robots. You need the coding knowledge of the machine as well as the technological knowledge to be able to fix it. Should it be a physical problem? They make about $65,000 a year and comes from an IT or computer science background. So where are they using them? Manufacturing companies, again, are the biggest users. Healthcare is another really big one. There's a lot of really interesting applications from that. Like there are robots that can scan you and help find a vein when you're going for a shot or an IV or something like that. And I think that's a super interesting application and field for this. My three favorite uses are in the automotive industry, healthcare, and the manufacturing industry. And one of the biggest public concerns for robotics usage is killer robots because people have the idea that robots can become sentient and uprise. Uh, that does not appear to be a concern in the field, but in terms of the general public that does not know everything there is to know about these machines, it is a concern. Why are they using robotics? I chose to use Exotech Solutions as my example, and they are the top robotics lab in France. They specialize in air delivery systems in robotics. So, like, they have robot drones that can deliver payloads and deliveries to people. They do have their market is a 30% revenue growth all across Europe per year. And they also are a really young company, founded in 2015, which is a really good thing because this is such a big company so fast. There's a lot of room to grow. One of their weaknesses is that they don't have an investment in the manufacturing sector. They specialize in delivery systems, and hopefully, for the opportunity that there is in the manufacturing sector, they could work their way into that. One opportunity is that the large growth of the market in Europe, the 30%, leaves a big opening for this company, and I think that's a really good thing, as well as the threat. Their profit and market growth is not exclusive to this company. So every company in this field, their competitors included, are getting this growth in their finances. When are they using it? Mass adoption in manufacturing is medical is already in place, especially manufacturing. Medical is a little bit behind manufacturing, and it can increase efficiency. That's the biggest thing with robotics is that it can do things extremely quickly and increase the efficiency. It again, one of the concerns is killer robots as well. I think it's also important to mention, like we did in the first slides, job loss is another big concern. How does robotics solve the sustainable development goals? I think in quality education, robotics could be a really interesting way to supplement teaching needs. If you can program robot machines to help teachers and help them spread their resources, I think that would be a really interesting application. I also think that there's a great opportunity for innovation in a lot of industries using robotics, not just the medical and manufacturing where it's primarily used right now. Two truths and a lie. First, robotics creates killer robots. Two, USA is the world leader. And three, manufacturing has a lot of the primary usages right now. Thank you.